Snowball's Belly Hippo sign today. We are here with Miguel.
Oh.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hold on. And today we are camping again. Okay, yeah. Since we are camping again, there is Abigail and today, yes, we are camping, and we're gonna be vlogging throughout the camping trip, right? And yeah, we're gonna be vlogging throughout the camping trip, doing lots of stuff, fun stuff.
Today's our first day here.
Yep,
and,
first day
we've been
here.
having lots of fun. And
Lots of
today
fun.
we're playing How to Train Your Dragon.
Yep, I trained dragon. We do. Yeah. Going down. I'm just kidding.
Going down and up, down and up, down. Bailey, move your wing for a second.
And yeah, and about that, yeah, we're just gonna be camping, and since we are camping, we are just gonna be like
Doing stuff.
Fun stuff.
Videoing about us going to the pool. And
Yep. Thinking about us going to the pool, and and yeah, we're just playing with our dragons right now. Just things we got, and we got this stuff. Some of the stuff Odyssey Dragon Live Spectacular into 2012. And yeah, guys, we will see you guys tomorrow or in the day. Take care, everyone.
Oh.
Oh.